Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you different websites that pay you daily and some of them pay you weekly. So it depends on you which one you want or which website you choose to work with, but it will also be better if you choose to work on all of them. They pay you daily and they pay you weekly, and it's good for everybody. You can be a beginner and start. It doesn't matter which device you have. If you have a smartphone like this one, you can still go ahead and use that one and start working. If you don't have a smartphone and you have only a laptop, that's also a good way you can start. You have a tablet, this website that I'm going to show you today, my God, you can work on them on any device, and the most important thing, you can use them in any part of the world you are. Yes, you can sign up. It doesn't matter if you are in Africa, any country, you can start using these websites right away. But if you are new to this channel, my name is Gloria, and I talk about different ways on how to make money online, ways that I've tried and they have worked for me. So if that's what you are looking for, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up for this video if it has really helped you at the end of it, and don't forget to comment where you're watching from so that I can post content that can help you and post websites that can be used in that place where you are right now. Let's get into the video. So guys, this is the first website that I was talking about. It's called Free Cash. I have shared it on this platform, but why I can't stop sharing about it? It's a good website and it's really changing people's lives. As you can see by their name, it's called Free Cash. Yes, it's called Free Cash, as you can see here, and they really have good job opportunities that you can do, and job opportunities which are not difficult. You don't need a college degree, you don't need a diploma, you don't need a certificate. All you need to qualify to start working here is your email address. Yes, you just need your email address. You just come here where it says sign up, you put in your email address, your password. You can sign up with Google. It depends on you. And the good thing, as you use the link in my description below, you have an opportunity to start earning right away. They will give you a welcome bonus, and even you can earn up to $250 for signing up. They will give you a free cash case, which can open up at the first day you earn some money. Even after the next 48 hours, you can still have a chance to earn from that opportunity. But that's not all from this website. There are so many different things that you can do and earn. As you can see, this game is $39 if you play it. This one is $14. And the good thing about it, even if you don't play games, there are other ways that you can earn from, which are surveys. And as I told you, you can earn daily from this platform. Yes, you can complete surveys, and they have partnered with big companies in the survey platforms like Time Wall. All of these ones, you can use them and earn money for doing their surveys. So if you want to come here, do an offer, maybe you want to do this one, which is $14, you just come there, click on it. When you have signed up, as you can see, I already have an account, but I just want to show you how it looks like. So if you want to earn through offers, that's how you go about it. You just come, click on offers, and you earn. Or if you want to earn from surveys, but let me not waste your time, let's go sign in, and I show you how it looks like inside. And people are earning on this platform on a daily basis. So I'll just go ahead and sign in. As I told you, signing up is not difficult. Email address, password, then you have already created your account and you start earning right away. That's how it goes. You don't need any magic to start working here. You don't need any paper, any experience to sign up. Yes, you excuse me for my computer for being slow. I'll work on that. So these are the different things that you can do here. So you can see, as this game is $8. When you can play this game for $8, you earn that. This is $7, and they have even offers that even pay much more than that. So it depends on the device you want. If you want to use Android, you just come click on Android, then they will show you the things that you can do using Android. Or you want, if you have an Apple phone, then you come click on that, then they will show you the things you can do using Apple or using a desktop. If you don't want to do games, then you can come here, do surveys. And they have also included other surveys that are from the free cash. So you can come here, do all of these surveys and get paid. Yes. And another way that you can earn from this platform, they have what something they call rewards. They reward you for your efforts. Yes, you can earn up to even $5 from rewards and other different things. Every time you earn $1, they will give you a chance to earn more from rewards. And another way you can earn from this, by being their affiliates, you refer people to this website. As I'm referring you to this website, you can go there, use the link in the description that I'm going to drop there. Then you sign up and you also earn from that. As you can see, people here earning. This person just earned $15. This one just earned 33 cents. This one just earned $15. This one just earned $30. So it depends on your effort that you want to put in. This one just earned $2. So it will be upon you to work if you want to work. This is just earn $10. And the moment you earn, you can go just away, cash out your money, or you'll be like, I'll save my money up to the month or up to the week. It depends on you. And if you want to cash out, they have really good payment options that you can use. If you have a PayPal, good for you. If you like Bitcoin, good for you. If any if you want to Amazon gift cards, Visa cards, but me, I prefer using AirTM because it's a good payment method and they don't charge you for fees. Yes, you just use that to cash out from this website. And there are so many different ways that you can cash out from this platform. Netflix, it depends on you which one that you want. Yes, and they will tell you how much they are going to charge you for cashing out. But I always use AirTM cashing out from this platform, and it has been a good way for me to cash out. Yes, then I'm going to take you to another website that you can also start earning right away. Yes, this is another website that you can also start earning right away. This is a good platform that they have good offers that you can do. You can do surveys, and their surveys are paying good most of the time. You can even find a survey here which is $4, and this platform is called Ysense. Yes, this platform is called Ysense. Even I recently cashed out from this platform last week. Yes, I recently cashed out. But if for you guys who don't know how to sign up, let me take you through the process because it's not that difficult. So if you want to sign up, you just put in your email address, your password, you agree to their terms of policy, then you click join and you'll be ready to sign up. So I'll also leave a link in the description below if you want to join. And here you earn extra cash online, yes, for doing paid surveys, testing apps. And guys, this thing of testing apps, it's really trending because so many people are creating apps and they want people to test them, and that's how people are earning money from it. Yes, because they want their apps to go on Google and Google starts using them. So they really want people who are going to do what? To test them. So I'll just go ahead and sign in into my account and start. And I'll show you inside how it goes. Yes, inside how it goes. But this is how it looks like. And if you want to sign up, I've showed you already the sign up process. So let me go ahead and sign in. Yes, I'll just go ahead and click sign in because I already have an account. So I'll just sign in. So if I sign in here, I'm going to show you inside. So these are the surveys. As you can see, this one is 12 minutes, this is 11 minutes, and it's $1. So these are the surveys that you can do. And if you want to view more surveys, you just come click here. But it's not all about surveys. They have really good offers that you can do. As you can see, this offer is up to $255. So if you do this offer, you will earn up $255. This is $28. These are really good offers. So you can go right away and sign up. This is also $250. And as I've told you, I've been working on this platform and they have paid me before. Yes, so this is $13, this is $35, $40, this is $100 offer. So it depends on you which offer you want to do, or you can go ahead and also do affiliate marketing with them. I will also leave a link in the description below. If you want to join, you also get a sign up bonus if you use my link. So this is another way that you can earn daily or weekly. So it depends on you. As long as you earn your money here, You just come out here and cash out. As long as you reach $5, then you can cash out your money from this website. So, guys, let's go to another platform, because I don't want to make the video too long. Yes, so this is another platform that I'm going to show you, and this platform is called Swagbucks. Yes, Swagbucks has been here for so long. If you are like, I want to start online, I don't know what to do, I don't know where to start from, this is also another good catch that you can jump on right now and start earning right away. You can start earning right away through answering questions. They always have different surveys that you can do, and they also really pay good. They have also paid me before from this platform. You can earn from 2SB, as in they call it 2SB, like SB is the swag bag, so they make it short, abbreviate it. So these are all surveys that I have here that I complete them, I'll earn my money, then go ahead and cash out. Or you can also go ahead, do mobile apps like it was. And sometimes they are always doing promotions. They will do promotion and they tell you play this app that you can earn up even up to $100, $200. So you can go ahead here, play games, and also earn. As you can see, this one is up to $5. This one is up to $250. This is March. So you can see this is up to $7. This is up to $8. So it depends. This is up to $10. So it depends on you which one you are picking or which one you are choosing. So that's the way how you are going to get paid also from this platform. They also have another thing that is called the daily poll, which is there every day. You just come here, choose your answer on this day poll. You don't have to do anything much. Then they will give you also money for that. That's also another good way to earn from this platform. So, guys, let me take you to another website that pays you daily and pays you weekly. This is the website that I'm going to show you, and this website is called Timebucks. Yes, it has also been here. If you're a beginner, I want to start online, you don't know where to start from. As you can see, you get daily bonuses. You start earning right instantly. No approval process required for new sign up. Yes, you just sign up in 5 seconds instantly and you start earning. You can also earn money from doing referrals. I'll also leave a link in the description below if you want to join and start working on this website called Timebucks, and they pay you weekly. Yes, the other websites I was talking about, they pay you daily. As long as you reach $5, you cash out. But this one, they send the money every week, and they have also paid me before, and they have a friendly support system, and they're always doing like renovating their website, putting new tasks. So if you want to sign up, you just come here where it says sign up, you put in your email address, your password, and you repeat your password, then you confirm you are not a robot, then you sign up. But if you already have an account like me, just come here, confirm you are not a robot, then you log in, and they will log you in, and they will take you to your dashboard, and you start earning right away. They also have surveys. You can earn via doing surveys. As here, they'll be showing you people who have already earned to encourage you. As you can see, this person has already earned, this person has already earned in 21 minutes ago. So it's a legit website. Yes, so you can start earning right away. You can, if you want to earn more, you just come here where it says earn. You can either earn by watching adverts. If you want to watch adverts, you come here where it says content. You want to play games, you come to the offer wall. You want to do tasks, you just go there, press on tasks, and you'll see the tasks that are available. Then you start working on them, and they'll start paying you instantly. Yes, so I'll leave also a link in the description to this if you want to sign up. Yes, if you want to sign up, I'll also leave a link in the description. Then another website is this one, and it's called Reward XP, and it's a good website because it's one of the highest paying ones, as in they pay good. Yes, and their offers are good. So you can also come here, do surveys, play games. Yes, you can start here as a beginner. So these are different games that you can do. As you can see, this reward it's up to this much. Yes, so it's not difficult to sign up. All you need is an email address, a password, and you are good to go. I'll also leave a link in the description below about this reward XP, because they really pay good. Like, their offers are high, as you can see. Their offers are so high. Yes, then another website that I'm going to show you, because I don't want to make the video too long. This is the website, and it's called Life Points. Yes, it's called Life Points, and here I also do surveys. And the websites I'm talking about, they are all over the world. You can sign up, it doesn't matter in which country you are in. So you just sign up if you don't have an email address. But me, I already have an email address. So if you want to register, just come here, click where it says register. But me, I already have an email address, so I'll sign in. And when you sign in, you have different surveys. You have different surveys that you can do. Yes, they are telling me error. Yes, but if I want to go sign in already, because I told you I already have an account, so I'll just go in, type in my email address, and they tell you earn money by completing surveys, and they are really paying good. You can get paid via Amazon gift cards, via PayPal. So that's how they pay on this website, and it's called Life Points. I'll also leave a link to it in the description. Then, guys, this brings us to our last website, and this website, hey, it's really good. Yes, I love this website, and this website is called Unlab, like the way it is. The name is, it's called Unlab, and here also you get paid to through tasks doing games. And if you already don't have an account, just come here where it says sign up. You just put in your email address, your password, and you sign up. But if you already have an account, you just go ahead and sign in, and they will tell you to do this puzzle. So they will tell you please click on the thing that is alive and is unbelieve and is unable to fly. So this is alive and is unable to fly. So you find that thing they are telling you to click on. I clicked on a mistake. So they are telling you to click on that thing which is alive and it can't fly. So you click on it, you verify. They're trying to see if you're a human being. Please click on the entire that grows and it's not a plant. So you click on it, and when you've passed the verification, then you go ahead and you log in your account. As I told you, I already have an account. As you see, I'm already earning on this platform. So if you want to start earning, you just click on the earn, then you will see their payment or their offers. They are really paying good. I've done this offer before, and if you want, you can go ahead and do surveys on this website. So that's how it is on this website and lab, and they have different payment options that you can use. Yes, they have different payment options that you can use if you want to cash out your money. Yes, so if you want to cash out your money, they will be showing you in the country where you are what is available. For now, as I'm recording this video, I'm in Turkey, and they're showing me the payment options that I can use. So it depends on which country you are in. They'll be showing you the payment options that are there available. So that's how this website works, and it's a good website. You can start using it as a beginner, and they are not difficult. So these are the websites I had for you guys. So if you're a beginner and you want to start making money online, get paid daily, get paid instantly, these are the good websites that you can start from. And if this video has given you value, don't forget to like it, comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first one to get notified. Thank you for watching.